Hey, welcome in everybody. So in this video I'm going to add the textures to the parts of our lightsaber. So let's start with the part number 4 here, the bottom piece. I'm gonna double click on it. So this one I'm just going to go up to the default here, click that little right arrow. I'm gonna make sure you're clicking on the Autodesk Appearance Library. Make sure that one's checked. I think that one has most of it has more goodies that you can add. So I'm going to go up to where you see Chrome and Chrome Polished. So I'm just going to paint this whole thing Chrome Polished. We're going to save this. And I'm going to close out of that one. For part number 5, I'm going to do the same thing. So the same material actually. So Chrome Polished for it. I have a hard time selecting this little slider thing. So I want that to be Chrome Polished. So where are you at? Where are you at, Chrome? Right there, Chrome Polished. File, save it. I'll close out of it. The next one is part 6, which is that little cover plate. All right, so for this piece, I'm going to use copper. Yeah, copper. I was trying to think. Copper polished. And then what I want to do now is I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to hold the control key down while I select these kind of interfaces here of all of these. So I'm going to use a different material for those. Select all these, hold the control key down while you select them. So you can select more than one at a time. All right, so I've got all those selected. I'm going to go up to my materials here. I'm going to look for anodized black. Right here. Yeah, okay, so then I'm going to save this. Close out of that one. Next one is going to be, let's go to the very tippy top part. I want to change this to Chrome Polished. Chrome Polished here. All right, then I'm going to look at a side view because I want to select this surface here, hold the control key down, select this surface, look underneath it. I'm going to select this underneath side, probably this one too. I don't think that one's going to actually show, but for those I'm going to use the anodized black. And look at the side view again, zoom out a little bit. And then I'm going to hold the control key down while I select this surface, and this top surface here. And that's going to be my copper polished there. Okay, there's that. We got that. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to file, save. File, close. I'm gonna skip that part here. Let's go to this part here. So for this one, I'm gonna color this one, or texture it is gonna be anodized black. There's so many. Come on now, anodized black. And look at the side view. I'm gonna hold the control key down while I select the kind of the outer rings of each one. Not that last one though. So those, I'm gonna change this to Chrome Polished. Chrome polished. There we go. I go to File, Save, File, Close, and then for the last one, this one, I'm going to use the Chrome polished to start with. So Chrome polished, not copper polished, Chrome polished, this one. And then what I want to do is I'm going to look at the side view here. I'll draw a window, left click and drag a window around these two buttons here. And for that, I'm going to use just black on it. Zoom in on these arrows here, these arrow buttons. So I'm going to left click, drag a window around that top arrow button. And this one I'm going to look for LED green. LED green on. I'm going to drag a window around the bottom arrow. For that, it's going to be LED red on. Okay, then let me look at it. Corner view here. So I want to hold the control key down while I select this kind of L-shaped part here. So grab that, hold the control key, select this one. Let me look around. So the underside, the underside, the underside there, underside there. Let's see what else I need. This side here, that one. I think we're good there. Did I get that back piece? Yeah, I got the back. Oh, this piece I didn't get. Wait, that piece. It wraps around. Okay, I think we got it. So for this one, I'm gonna go to copper polished. Oh, I need to get this. I can't believe I didn't get that surface there. So this one, I need that to be copper polished as well. We got that. Let me make sure we're good here. Got that. Got the undersides. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, getting dizzy. All right, so we have that. Yeah, okay, so that's all there is to that one. So I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go to Save, File, Close. So I think we have all of our different parts and we have the textures on them. Yeah, so in the next video, we will put all the parts together and we'll make it like really look cool. All right, so peace out.